What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a video about some of our birds we have here. Today we'll start off with the turkeys. So right there is Polka Dots. There's Zazu. Zazu likes to bite people. I just have that there. This one loves pets, don't you? I'm trying to film this. This one's trying to peck me. This one just wants its pets. Don't you, Pokey? Pokey's probably not in the mood for pets because I can't let him out. Yeah. No. Pokey! Pokey keeps doing this every time. Don't you? This Zezu. They both want out, but they got into our neighbor's yard, so they can't come out unless if one of us are out. And if you don't know from all the leaves falling, it's October, and yeah, they spent the night outside 2 days ago. And we found an egg last night. Don't know which one laid it, but it was outside. And in here, where they live, they eat there. There, they sleep on that roost. Zazu likes to go into the window. Try. Oh, there goes Pokey. Yeah, Pokey keeps doing that and then just settles down. And he wants his pets. Zazu just likes to be filmed. Ow. Just pecked me right there. That's why you have to watch them, because they try to peck me. Don't you, Zazu? Okay. Moving on. Oh. Spider right there. Okay, they will follow me down here to the end. If we come up here, come on, baby. We have some quail in there. It might be hard to see. There's Barry. I named him Barry because he likes eating raspberries. Pick him some. Usually pick him a ton. He really likes these. Sometimes he'll peep for hours, just saying thank you. Since it's fall, they're all ripening. We're getting really few. It's really windy. Barry! Oh yeah, and Buddy's in there with him. That quail over there is just alone. Yeah, we killed the other two because they were bullying him. Might have to put him down too. He likes eating them too, but there's Barry. Been teaming Barry with them. Instead of the quail running away, Barry will just sit and eat them. We're far enough away. And moving on to our chickens. Oh, and ducks. Can't forget about those dookies. Here are the chickens. And that blue one right there is Floofy. I named her Floofy because she was really light like a feather. She still is. And then there's Blue. And there's Blue. Those two are the fast ones. And the chickens have all this space right here. Oh, there's Titus. And there's the rooster. Well, Zeus, we have another one over there called Pretty Boy. They just think I have food for them, but I don't. Run away, Fluffy! Here's more hens. Oh, wait. They're the ducks. Those guys are actually rare breed. They're also endangered. We have one over there. That one's also one of them, just all black with some white. One of them hatched it. So that's the rare breed. Okay, and now we're moving into the chicken coop. So if you guys can't see, it is actually kind of dark in here. There. Well, not that dark. But I don't get good screening in here. In here is another one of Floof's siblings. Up there's where they roost. The door's there. And in here, those are where they lay eggs. Let's get some. We have a blue egg, a brown egg. Might look green, but it's blue. Oh wait, no, it actually looks green. Yeah, some of the hens are not friendly. Well, they are. Say hi. There's another hen. Well, there's a hen in there. You probably see in there from the light and the white. Here's a white egg, kind of. It's brown and white. It's warm, so that means it was just laid. And if you come over here, into this one, chickies! We have some chickies, and there's Waffles. And there's Blue Porter, which I called Hummingbird. And Blue Porter likes to go in there in my jacket. Just hangs right there in the leaf thing. We have 23 of them. Waffles is apparently a rooster with feathers on the feet. We never had a chick that had that. Some of them have names because we like to tame them. Some of the chickens have names. Waffles, Blue Portal, one of them. Then there's just a giant chicken. Right there next to Waffles, it might be hard to see. That's Colton's. I believe it's it's butterscotch. And the chicks live in here for now. But that is a door. It does move. It's just that the chickens in there will bully them. Will bully the chicks and can kill them. That's a fact. They can kill the chicks. So we have that closed. They will all roost in there. If we run out of room, we'll put some in here. So the chicks live in here. There's another door that the chickens usually roost in there. They go from that door to that door. But since we have chicks, they have to go out to the other door, which is actually supposed to be filled with grass, but we have like 40 chickens, so yeah, they destroyed it pretty quickly. We're going to clean their coop today. Well, me and my mom are. And in here, so that's the other end. That locks into there. But this is big. They have all this space. And if you walk all the way down, there's the sandbox because they like dirt baths. If you walk all the way down to these logs, which is the end, you find the turkeys area and their coop. There's Pokey Jots and there's Zazu. Zazu's actually a meat bird. I got him for free. But I haven't been feeding him much later. Well, I've been feeding him later, we have scoops. I give him a scoop a day. Zazu actually hasn't been eating that much, so not being a meat bird. And Polka Dots is either 2 or 4 or 3 weeks older and not a meat bird. We had to pay $20 for the Polka Dots. And there's the duck's pool. We do sometimes feed them feeder fish. We'll put them in the pool. But, well, we clean the pool out and then put them in. Because sometimes we'll put them in when it's dirty. But when it's time to clean it, the fish are in there for so long, they're still alive. And that's so we have to clean it out so they can see. And in here is another area for the chickens. They have up to that area. There is a fence right there and a door and our little composter. Right here, that could be food and water. Right here is another one. That's weird. It's clean. Well, I don't get why, but it's clean. So that's where some chickens. Oh yeah, it's clean because chickens usually get broody every year. But I believe they start laying when they're like 8 weeks old. And so we put the broody ones in there because they want to hatch chicks. But we have 40 of these guys and 23 babies. And we don't want any more chickens. And we're still not registered as a farm, so we don't have to pay taxes for animal feed. So, we put the broodies in there without the eggs. So that way they'll do their own thing. Not hatch any. And since they're separated from it, they hopefully won't hatch eggs and put them back. Another quail lives in here. Hi, Grumpy. That's Grumpy. He was also getting bullied. They all have food, they all have water. And the turkeys usually get to go out. Right here's where we had grass. Like after you cut it. They love the grass. Most of that stuff right there is still decaying from that pile 2 years ago. Well, it was cut like last month. Since they seen me, they want something. They probably just want me to come in so they can get out and peck stuff. And we pretend that these are, well, the leaves are credit cards, and this is the credit card scanner. You take your credit card or the leaf, and you put it in for it to scan it, and they just take it. And also, they'll love to eat all these leaves on trampoline. Sometimes, most of the time they jump up to here, but sometimes they go through the door into the trampoline and don't even know how to get out, even though they know how to get in. And you've seen those quail, the 4 quail. Those are actually the boy quails. We have a bit more quail, and going to them now, but they're in our garage. Something got them in that pen next to the trees. So these are the scoops we use to feed them. These ones are the females. And right there, those 2 brown things, those are actually not poop. Those are eggs. And that. And they were the quail. And there's that quail. That's actually the one that beat up Grumpy, so we had to separate them. Okay.